Sitaram Yechuri speaking. I'll come back to you, Shana.
In phase election, which is rather long, and which means for all the political parties and the people, I mean, it's going to be a long haul of almost 2 months by the time they wait for the final results to come.
What is the expectation of the left parties considering, and specifically with regard to Bengal and the South, and with these so many phases happening, any concerns specifically with regard to any state?
Well, we are, I mean, in the sense that only when we actually know the nitty-gritties of the constituencies, how they're divided. I mean, they have provided, for the first time, a mapped, representation of how they are planning to divide these 9 phases. But once we know the constituencies and the numbers, I mean, that will only be a little time by the time it will be figured out. Then we can work out if, some changes are required or some specific requests are needed. But in a state like Tripura, for instance, where the left is concerned, there are just 2 seats and they have them in 2 different phases. But in a state like Kerala, you have 20 seats. I mean, they're all in a single day poll. The rationale behind this we'll have to try and see once we get the finer details of this. But nevertheless, I think we are fairly satisfied with the fact that the Election Commission has taken into account all the possibilities. It has also made announcements in terms of the deployment of observers and given out, I think, an extremely strict warning to the officials that they'll have to ensure free and fair elections, and that is that they should not in any way be subjected to undue pressures, which is very important. We hope that the Election Commission will have some teeth in implementing this decision. Now, they have also given some strictures on the question of the expenditures. Because we have not been very happy with the question of increasing the limits. Because already the measures that the Election Commission has taken deprives the smaller parties and the parties which are financially not as strong from reaching out to the people like they used to earlier.